everybody! Today I'm going to do a Forever 21 beauty accessories haul for you. Now this is the first time ever that I've shopped for beauty accessories, so I'm very excited to share them with you. Also, like all of my hauls, the description of how I got them will be to the end, and I'll just tell you the MRPs right now. But don't you worry, if you find them pricey, wait till the end because I have a way to get everything for super cheap. So stay till the end if you actually want to buy them or just enjoy the haul. So let's get on with it. The very first item is an eyebrow brush. It looks something like this. It is a two brush, and this side is a brush and this side is actually a comb. Now before I came across this, I used to use the normal comb to actually tame my eyebrows because there were some days when I did not want to use the brow and lash gel which I featured in the Body Shop haul. But I found this, and this is MRP'd at 129 rupees. So I thought that okay, this is not expensive, you know, I can try this because this is actually made for the purpose for which I use the other comb. But you know guys, it didn't actually work that well. I mean, I think that the comb actually did a better job. So yeah, I would not recommend you guys in buying this. Or maybe I don't know how to use this. So in case any of you possess an eyebrow brush, do tell me how to use it, and even after using it that way, if this doesn't work, then do not buy it. The next item is this. You cannot see it because it's in a package. It's a manicure set. Now I was actually looking for just this, the tweezer. But I came across this on Myntra, and again, this is the same price as that eyebrow brush. So 5 pieces for the same price as 1 piece. So this is for 129 rupees, the entire set, and it has 5 items: a buffer, a tweezer, a nail clipper, an angled scissor, it's angled from the end, and a cleansing brush, you know, to cleanse the nails. And it is mint green in color. It's so pretty, and all of these are very handy to use, and this seems like a nice travel bag, and it comes in this sort of an enclosed pouch, so it's very easy to carry. You can hang this anywhere. But the only concern that I have with this is, since it is cheap, I'm not sure if this is stainless steel. I hope it is, but if it isn't, then when I use it, I will not be able to wash it with water because that will make them rust. So I will use them, and in case you guys want to know, I will leave down in some future descriptions, or I'll mention in some future videos if that could survive water. So yeah, this is the manicure set, and this was the second item. The third item is this. This is my favorite of all. This is it's a handy mirror, but it is polka dots from the back. And it is just so pretty because it's pink and white polka dots. I love them. This is MRP'd at 199 rupees, but you know, it was pictured in a different way. These white dots are much brighter and better in the picture, and it's a bit disappointing after I got it. Yeah, so I would not recommend you on buying a polka dot one, but they have a normal one which is for 129 rupees, and that will be worth it. I'll tell you why. Because this plastic, it is not bad quality or inferior quality. It feels really nice quality. It is heavy, you know, otherwise plastic is usually super light, but this is heavy, and the mirror is very, very clean, and yeah, you can see my laptop. Yeah, so this is pretty, and yeah, so if you are searching for a handy mirror, do go for this. This is just for 129 bucks without polka dots, and this is the third item. The fourth item is cotton pads, and so many of them. And you know, here's the catch. I bought these as well. These are cotton pads too. I bought this from the medical store. I bought this from Myntra. This small packet contains 50 cotton pads. This contains 160 cotton pads. And guess the price, guys. This one is for 175 rupees and this one is for 120 rupees. Look at the quantity, and still this is much cheaper than this one. Isn't that great? You know guys, that is why I shop from Forever 21, because they do good deals. And yeah, this is just regular cotton pads in square shapes, and they are really soft and nice. And again, they have come in a reusable bag. You know, you can open it this way use, shut it, keep it. The packaging, Forever 21 is doing amazing packaging right now, so why not take advantage of that. And the last and bonus item is not exactly a beauty accessory, but I can't find it. Yeah, I found it, but it is something that I really like. So it is this hair grips, or rubber bands as I prefer to call them. And you know what I think is that they have actually tried to give you rubber bands of every hair color, because I think these would go okay with blonde hair, and this would go okay with probably redheads and brown hair. Many people in India have brown hair, black hair, and this is super pretty. And do not worry, this is not the quantity. I actually took 2 of each color out, so I basically had 30 rubber bands, 30, yeah, 5, 6 or 30 rubber bands for just 70 rupees. And I bought this offline actually from the store, but they are really pretty. And that is all that I had to show you. So do leave it in the comments below if you want me to do such videos in the future. And if you found anything of this helpful, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. And I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye. So as usual, I forgot to end my video by telling you where I got the things from. So all of them I bought them from Myntra, and a few months back Myntra had this scheme that if you refer a friend of yours, then you get 300 rupees as points, and even your friend gets 300 rupees as points if they order something. So basically I referred myself to myself from my first phone to my second phone, and when I ordered from my second phone, I got 300 points on this one and 300 points on this one. So I had 300 rupees extra, and since all of the things were in the range of 100 rupees, I actually ordered 10 things, and the rest of the things will be coming soon in the next video, and next or probably the future videos. And so I ordered 10 things in the range of 100 bucks. So I bought 10 things for 1000, but then I had my points, and you can redeem 20% of your total bill amount as points. So all of the 10 things cost me 800 rupees. So per item I just paid 80 rupees, and that's how I got all of these things for just 80 rupees. The polka dot mirror, the cotton pads, everything for 80 rupees. So that's how I got them that cheap. And the next time they come up with such an offer, I will tell you guys. So don't worry, I'm here to help you save some money and still enjoy shopping and fashion. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it too. So goodbye.